Hello everyone. In this tutorial I will show you how to create pop-out of a ripper paper hole in Canva. So open Canva and create a new design. Choose your preferred size. Then go to elements. Look for a hole. We'll choose like this. Then choose your preferred image. For me, I will choose just this photo. I will click on background remover. Then I will delete the rest of this horse. Go to edit. Then magic eraser. Then remove the rest of the horse. Click on erase. Then back to the design. Resize the horse. I think this size is enough. Then duplicate it and make it fit with the old image. Then go to position, layers, choose the first photo and make it behind of the paper hole like this, and select the second photo, crop it, and crop also the first photo. Then select the first photo. Then go to tools, choose draw, select white color, increase the size, then draw, I think that our design is ready. Then I will choose another design. We'll choose this paper hole, resize it. Then I will choose this man photo, crop it, then make the photo bigger, duplicate the photo, make it fit with the old photo, then go to position, choose the first photo and make it behind the paper hole. Now crop the second photo. I will remove this place, go to edit, then magic eraser, then remove this place. Click on erase, make it in middle. Now our pop-up of a ripper paper hole is ready. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe in my channel.